Good morning. Good morning. Oh, is it time for some tummy rubs? Is it time for a couple of rubs? The bitch loves the rubs. She got this white fur right here, and she got this nipple right here, and it's so big. She must have had some puppies. You are stinky today. I don't know what happened. I don't know what you were doing, but you smell bad. So you're gonna have to get a bath. Does she want yummies? Does she want some yummies? Does she want some yummies? Does she want some of those yummies? Go get them. What do you got? What are you scratching for, huh? Are you itchy? I think you really need a bath, huh? You really need one. It's been a couple of weeks, I know. I take one every day and you only get one every couple of weeks. It's pretty unfair, huh? You're running real low on food bales. You're gonna have to go buy some more or else you're gonna run out. Let's go, come on. Is she so excited? You still feel so excited? Sit. Excuse me, can you sit? That doesn't mean go over there, it just means sit. Alright, stay. Oh, the best loves it so much. The best just cannot get enough of this stuff. It's the best's favorite. You got a tail wag? You better wag that tail.
Thank you for calling PetSmart Grooming. This is Nicole. How can I help you?
How you doing? My dog needs a bath. That conversation was dumb because she couldn't hear what I was saying, but it's official. Bales is gonna get a bath. You're gonna get a bath, okay? You're not gonna be stinky anymore. Not on my watch. I know that you're stinky, but you're very cute. Why do you look like that? You look like really gray and old in the camera. She doesn't look like that through my eyes. I don't understand. Bales, you're an illusion today. Hey. Hey, Bales. Hey, Bales. Hey. Do you want to go for... Does she want to go for a walk? Okay, go. Go potty. No, this isn't the right way. What are you doing? You gotta go potty. Oh, you're sneezing on my camera. Bales, does she want to go potty? Does she love to go potty? She gonna sneeze again on the camera? Oh, the bears. All right, let's go. Go potty, go. All right, we're gonna go on a very special walk today. I'm gonna need you to stay still though, okay? I'm gonna need you to stay still. You can't do that though, can you? Oh, you got more slobber on the camera. Thank you. Come here. Biz, I gotta put your leash on. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you even doing, Biz? Come on. All right, put the leg through. And then we'll pull it up. Good girl. All right. Let's get your leash on. And cool. All right, let's go. Come on, Bill. Good job. All right, so here I am. I'm pulling into the puppy sprint store, Roni and Cheese. And this is the reason that I'm here. It's because my selfie camera is destroyed. How did I do this? How did I mess this up so badly, Bales? I don't know. It's not a cracked screen. What happened was I cracked the screen. I brought the screen here to get fixed, and they fixed it. They replaced the screen, and they said your screen was so cracked that it cracked the camera lens too. So they ordered me a new camera, and I'm here with Bales. I'm gonna go drop my phone off, so I'm probably not gonna have a phone, and I'm gonna be so lost for like an hour, which is really detrimental. Let's go drop it off. Let's see if we can fix this phone. Hello there. Thank you for waiting very patiently. You just shocked me, Bales. All right, so I just dropped my phone off and it's gonna be about an hour. And so I looked up on their phone somewhere fun we could go. I wanted to go to the beach, but the problem is if I go to the beach, I'm not gonna find my way back here because it's like 30 minutes away. So I'm gonna go to a place called Mason Park. You wanna go to Mason Park? Does she wanna go to Mason Park? I think she does. Hopefully I can figure this out. It's just one road. The problem is this puppy Pry has no GPS, so like there's a pretty good chance I'm gonna get lost. That's like kind of like a Pry. I wonder if that thing's got GPS. Is that it? What does that say? Oh yeah, it says William R. Mason Puppy Park. Look at that. I found it, you can't read it. We found it. We found it, Bales. Good job. You helped me. Hey, acknowledge that you helped me. Okay, so we just paid to get in. It was only $3 and they took card, which is also pretty cool. I don't know where to go though. This is the Puppy Mason Park. San Joaquin, or Joaquin. Joaquin. I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's spelled or sound like it's spelled. You know what I'm saying, right? This is a cool looking park. I want to take Bales over to that lake. Bales loves lakes. Do you love lakes, Bales? Yes, the Bales actually is a lake. She was born as a lake and she transformed into a pooch. So it was kind of one of the coolest transformations the world has ever seen. All right, let's get out of here. We're at Mason Park. Is the Bales excited? Okay. Come on. No, you're super excited, huh? Bales, do you want some water? Go get some water. Come here. Come here. Yes, the Bales loves water. That's one of Bales' favorite things is water. You see all those duckies, Bales? Do you want to go play with them? Go in the water then. Go in the water. Go get them. Whoa. Jeez. Come here. Come here. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? I can't even get you. I don't have an extra hand. No way, dude. You did not just do. What do I even. What? I don't even know what to say. Are you serious? Wait a minute. Wait, no. No, dude. No. Oh my god. Dude, that was nuts. That was crazy, Bales. You are so insane. Wait a minute. Like, way to top it off, dude. That was so funny, man. She's never done anything like that in the time I've had her. I've had her for a year now. And I've taken her to water before and she will not even think about jumping in. Now she's gonna go get some more duckies. Go get them. Go in the water again. Come here. Come here. The problem is now she's all dirty and I want her to go in the water. Go. Go get him. Go get him. Go. Bess, come on. Go get him. Go get him. Go. Do it again. Go. Go get him. She will not do it again. You are filthy. You want to know the best part about all this? I literally, you saw it. I called PetSmart this morning and scheduled a bath for Bales in like an hour from now. It's crazy. I don't even, that blows my mind. She's never done anything like that before. Oh, the Bales. First of all, she's terrified of the bath. Like absolutely mortally wounded, terrified. Whenever we go to the beach, she'll just like go in for a second and then run back out. I don't know, that was crazy, Bales. You're crazy. All right, Bales, let's go. You see that race car over there? Just head towards that, okay? All right, perfect. Do you know that this is your car? You are a very smart Bales. Unfortunately, you're disgusting. What am I supposed to do now? In the car. Oh, you are filthy, Bales. Now I'm gonna have to wash your harness. And you just got it right. Okay. Okay. You look like a person, Bales. Okay, so now I have the task of finding my way back to the Sprint store. Hopefully it's all done because we got that appointment at 2 and it's 12:39, Bales. We gotta hightail it back. Well, all right then, we're back at the Sprint Bob. It was only one road the whole way, so it was pretty simple. Pretty hard to get lost, although I still thought that I would because, I mean, I turn my phone on everywhere I go nowadays. It's just how I am. I'm like Bob Weaver. I'm getting lost everywhere. Just kidding, we gotta keep it on for Bales. All right, I'm gonna go grab my phone. Hopefully it has the new camera installed, ready to go. So let's see the difference. You saw the before. Here's the puppy after. What do you think, Jim? He thinks it's good. I think it's good. It looks a lot better. And then we got the Bales, who's right here. What are you doing? Oh, you're locked. What are you doing in the car, Bales? No, that's my seat. What are you doing up here, Bales? You're so gross. No, I forgot. This camera has been busted for like 6 months because I am the laziest person on all of Uranus. And so finally I fixed it. It does look a lot better. Okay, so it's 12:52 And I got an hour and 10 minutes before I gotta drop off this booch. Bales, I got an hour and 10 minutes. Where do you wanna go? Mrs. Bales, I'm back. We got mail from Gina. Gina, what did you send me? Gina lives like 2 minutes away from me, so I'm really glad she sent me something. It's a puppy fisty, and it's okay. Any interest? All right, so next up is this reminder that I have to pay for my P.O. box. So no, there's no way I can ever forget because it'll be inside of me. This next letter comes from Chase, and basically they told me I could enjoy up to $500 on them. Thank you, Chase. Is this Chase on 2 wheels, or what's Chase? Oh, I get 300 and 200. Chase is giving me in 2 separate payments, so thank you so much. Say thank you. All right, this next one is very predictable. Oh, what do we got here? We got some more puppy fire sauce, nice and opened up. Bales, do you have any interest? Papa Cleb, my name is Baker X Derek. I am 29 years old and I am a giant fan. My uncle was a Marine in the Vietnam War. He was in a platoon known as the Walking Dead. I've heard of them. Wow, that's crazy. Wasn't that like not a platoon? It was like a battalion. What advice would you give to a beginning motovlogger, and what do you recommend using along the lines of cameras, mics, and other video editors? Final question, will you start selling autograph posters on Subdelinky's website? From Baker X Derek, IG, Papa D Main. I remember messaging you, man. So this is a picture that, wait, oh, okay. There it is. There's the picture. Wow. That's pretty awesome, dude. I like stuff like this. And last but not least, we have this community services orientation dynamic manual diagram. And it's basically just got a bunch of dates and times. I'll be sure to show up to every single event, every single one. I'm gonna show up to Cheese 75, as you can see right there. And we're just gonna make some cheese. And that will conclude today's episode of Puppy Mail Boy 5000 Sesame Seed Horsepower. That was a lot of fun. I like that. I need to go get mail more often. Beep, beep, beep. All right, we're here, Bales. Your favorite place to eat besides Taco Bell, because I know Taco Bell is your favorite. Don't you even say it's not. Don't you even say it's not. Please excuse me while I sit in this long line for about 45 minutes. And then we're gonna be late for Bales' appointment in 30 minutes. Thank you, Professor. So here we go. I think it's really important this time that we actually get Mrs. Bales eating her Dogalicious patty. So this is basically like a non-salted patty, I guess, and they call it the pup patty. So we're gonna give it to Bales. Last time I gave her one, we didn't get her eating it. No, stay. So now you gotta be patient, Bales. You gotta be patient. Stay. Don't eat it yet. Wait. Hey! She would just go for it. You gotta wait. Okay. 1 bite, all right? Good girl. 1 bite was the whole thing. This is so good. I love this. Now, aside from that tasty burg, this is my second favorite thing at In-N-Out. It's just so good. The vanilla shake, the strawberry puppy bad boy chocolate Almonddale shake. It's a strawberry shake. It's so good. I don't like strawberry shakes from anywhere else but here. I hate them, and this is so good. I want more. I want more, Bales. All right, so it's 1:54. We gotta go bring the Bales to her bath appointment. Bales, does she want a bath? Do you want a bath? You don't like baths. You're gonna go get a bath. All right, Bales, we're here. We're at your favorite spot in the world. Hang on a minute. We gotta put on your prong collar now because you got that one all nasty. Okay, come on. Come here. Let's go. Go potty real quick before we go. Okay. Perfect spot.
Beautiful, got it.
Thank you. Hey Bales, should I title this video "Taking My Pitbull to PetSmart" so I can get another 300,000 views? I don't know why that video got so many views. Why did you click on that video? Because I know a lot of you did. All right, Bales, this is where you're going. Bales, you want a treat? Come here.
I think you're gonna be just fine. I don't know. Hey, good girl. All right. I can
Okay.
take the leash with me so you don't have to like worry about getting it out back.
Yeah,
Can
you
we
want
do
to.
that?
Okay.
Perfect. We'll see you then.
Alright, thank you.
See you.
So I really need new leash for Bales. This is the one that she has, and this little tab right here broke off. So it always like gets locked up and stuff.
Here we go. We're gonna take your leash and I'll take mine. Excuse me. There you go, big girl.
What's going on? You smell like nothing. Alright, good job. Let's go. What do we got here, Bales? Looks like we got a package. We also got another package earlier. Let's take a look and see what we got. Okay, so I opened the packages and I haven't looked yet, but I kind of know what I ordered, obviously. What do we got? What do we got, Bales? Take a look. We got all kinds of new GoPro accessories and a new GoPro. Check it out. I got the Hero 5 Session. I got the mic adapter, and I think that's a battery. And I got all the mounts. I got the SD card. And I got a bunch of cables, all kinds of good stuff. And yeah, Bales, isn't that exciting? She says, but what about me? Well, Bales, there actually is something for you. If you could just come here. Come take a look. What's in there? What's in there? Get it. What's in there? What's in there? Oh, you got a ducky! You got a ducky! That's right, you love the duckies. You chased them into the water. Now give me that ducky. Now you gotta give me that ducky. Now give me that ducky back. Give me that ducky back right now. You better give it back right now. I got your ducky. I got your ducky. Now go and get it. Now give it back! Alright, so I just put Bales' ear medicine in because she jumped in the water. Every time I put it in. Every time. This is what she does when I give her ear medication. Oh, your Bales. Oh, your Bales, it's just so itchy. There's the meds. This protects her from getting ear infections when she gets baths and when she apparently jumps into the river or lake or whatever. Oh, the Bears is crazy. Oh, the Bears is crazy. Anyways, it's still early, but I got some stuff I gotta do today. I gotta edit some more videos, and I just can't be worrying about vlogging and doing interesting stuff. So with that, I'm gonna show you this spatula that I used yesterday. Still haven't even cleaned the thing. And we're gonna head on over to a common theme, a common trend. And here we are. We're gonna end it with the cockaroo, and the Bales is right there. Bales, say bye to the cockaroo. Say bye. Say bye to it. Yep. Now your guys' turn. Peace.